Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the use of function keys in computer. There are total 12 function keys in any keyboard starting from F1 to F12. As you can see in the image, at the top of the keyboard there are 12 function keys and there is also a one key in keyboard, that is a Fn. So besides these 12 function keys, there is also additional key, that is a Fn. And there are another uses of Fn function key. So here we are going to see the function or use of all the function keys one by one. So first of all, you know about what is meant by function keys. There are total 12 function keys in any computer starting from F1 to F12, and there is also another additional function key, that is a Fn. So let's start from F1 function key. F1 function key is used to open the help window. Suppose if I want to know something about the function which I don't know about the computer, so I just press F1 function key and then the help window will open and then I can search for anything which I want to learn. So this is a use of F1 function key. Then the second function key is a F2. So F2 function key is used to rename any file, folder or anything, whatever you want. Suppose I click on any folder, I select that folder and then click the F2 function key, then automatically I can rename it. Generally we click on the folder or file, then right click and select rename option. But using F2 function key, the file or folder name is automatically edited and we can give another name to that file or anything. So F2 function key is used to rename a file, folder or whatever you want. Then the next function key is F3 function key, and F3 function key is used for searching. Suppose there is a one document open and I want to search a particular word, then generally we use a combination, that is a Control F for searching. But besides this, we can also use F3 function key. It is used to open a search box in Internet Explorer or any browser or any file. So this function key is used for searching purpose and it is also an alternative for Control F. Then the next function key is F4. The F4 function key is generally used with Alt key to shut down or close any window. If many windows are open in our computer or laptop, if I press Alt plus F4 key, then they all close and the shutdown window will open there. So we can shut down our PC or laptop or restart it or do anything whatever we want. There are so many options given like restart, hibernate, sleep, etc. So this is the use of F4 function key. Then the next function key is F5, and F5 function key is used to refresh or reload a page. So everyone knows about the F5 function key. First of all, if I want to refresh the page or refresh the desktop, so I manually refresh it, like right click on the desktop and select refresh, and then I press F5 function key many number of times to refresh our computer or laptop. In the same way, F5 function key is used to reload a page. Means if I open a browser and I want to refresh the page, reload the page, then I press F5 function key. F5 function key is also mostly used to run the programs, like in Visual Studio when we write a program of C# or ASP.NET or VB.NET. Then that time if I want to run the program, then simply press F5 function key, then our program will run. Then the next function key is F6. F6 function key is used to highlight the address bar. Suppose I am working in a browser window and I want to change the URL or type the URL or highlight the address bar, and suppose I don't want to work with the mouse, then just simply press F6 function key and your address bar of browser window is highlighted, and then you can type the URL and then search for anything. The next function key is F7. F7 function key is used to check the spelling. Suppose I open the document and suppose there are spelling mistakes in that document, then we manually go to the review option or review menu and then check the spelling. But instead of that, simply press F7 function key to check the spellings. So simply pressing F7 key will open the spelling check box, and there we can change the spelling or ignore it. The next function key is F8, and F8 function key is used to open a boot menu. The boot menu is generally used to install the another operating system or remove the previous operating system. So we need to open the boot menu. But for every computer or every laptop, like for Lenovo, for HP, there are different function keys to open the boot menu. So if you want to check which function key is used to open boot menu for your particular computer or laptop, then simply search on the Google like Lenovo boot menu function key or Lenovo boot menu key. Any laptop, if you want to search like HP boot menu key, etc. So in many laptops, the F8 function key is used to boot menu. In some of the laptop, there is a F10 key which is used to open the boot menu. So the next function key is F9 function key, and it is used to remove selected item. Generally we press the backspace button or delete button to remove an selected item, but instead of that we can also use F9 function key to remove a particularly selected item. And this function key is also used to run program, like in a Turbo C. The F9 function key is used with control key to run the program of C and C++. The next function key is F10. The F10 function key is used to highlight the menu bar or active the menu bar. Means if you are working in a Microsoft Word and your mouse is not working, then simply press F10 function key, then your menu bar will be active, and then you can select the item whichever you want and do some changes. So F10 function key is used to active the menu bar or highlight the menu bar. The next function key is F11. The F11 function key is used to move to full screen or vice versa, that is to maximize and minimize the screen size. The next function key is F12 function key. The F12 function key works as save as. Suppose you are working on a Microsoft Office like Microsoft Word, and if you want to save the document, then generally we go to file and then click on save as. But if we press F12 function key, then save as dialog box will open, and there we can save our file. So in this lecture we see the use of all the 12 function keys in any computer or keyboard. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.